Hi guys, welcome back to Shed and welcome back to part 4 on the Honda CD200, or Honda Bentley as we call it. Now in the last video, a new set of points. I think I did the valve clearances, ignition timing, took the bike out and I wasn't very happy with it.
Oh dear. She's far from happy.
I took the top of the carb off and found it had the wrong needle. Further investigation, I've also found out that I had a earth that shouldn't be touching, or a live touching earth that shouldn't have been, which was weakening the spark. So I've rectified that. I did buy, I'll show you now, loads of Bentley parts. I did buy, as promised, a cheap Chinesium carb. Let's get this carb fitted. It's got two chances. It'll work or it won't. But we'll find out. And it was dog shite. Absolutely. But I did borrow some bits off it. So I took the needle out, took the choke housing. I took the nice shiny bowl off the bottom and put that on the bike too. The bike seems to be running well. So it's the original carb, new needle, all new jets, the right size, out of my collection. Quite happy with that. Now what we keep doing is fouling plugs. They keep fouling up. And I haven't got the strongest of spark, but everything in that system is new. I do have now a full gasket kit and some extra valve stem seals, just because the ones that come in the kits are normally a bit pants. However, I don't really want to get into that at the moment. I will if I have to. I'm hoping it will clear. I don't think it's that oily. But the other thing I've noticed is these caps are original. I say original, they're brand new, but they're the OEM. And they have resistors in them. Also, the plugs I bought CR7s. I don't know if that'll focus. So they have resistors in too. So the actual spark is double resisted. Normally doesn't matter on 12 volt bikes. Sometimes you get away with it on 6 volts, but you can actually weaken the spark by having too much resistance. So I've gone and bought non-resisted spark plugs. I'm going to give them a go as well. I mean, the manual says UK should use resisted plugs. US though uses unresisted plugs. So worst case that'll happen is I'll probably weaken someone's TV signal by not having them resisted and cause interference. But yeah, I'm going to put new plugs in it. The bike did start up after I changed the carb. Put new plugs in. I've also bought some new mirrors. Starting to like this bike. Maybe not. Not if I have to take the whole engine out just to do the top end. And I've also bought a new clutch and brake lever. I mean, they were only a couple of quid each. And the brake lever on this is actually an upside down clutch lever. Fantastic. So I'm just going to whack some new plugs in. I'll change these off screen. You don't need me to see me change a brake lever or a clutch lever. I'm going to give it another fire up and see what it's running like. As you've just seen, she ran up beautifully. Not too much smoke. She started second kick, sat there running very happily. I won't know for sure until I take it out and give her a run. Off screen, as I said, new mirrors, new levers both sides, and I've just been messing around with the rear rack. So I've got an original Bentley rack, just like the rest of the bike. It's a little bit bent, but it fits, a bit ropey. Now, I don't know if I've told you what we're doing with these. So, in February, Dragon Rally. Now, most of you know what that is, but if you don't, it's early February, camping in or around Snowdonia. and obviously I've got to ride all the way to Wales. And if you don't know where I'm located, it's near Gatwick or near Reigate. So it's a long old trek on an old bike like this, hence why I want it perfect. So in about 3 seconds, I'll be out on this and we'll give it a run.
Okay, we're back out on her. She's actually running really nice. Apart from the throttle cable keeps getting stuck. It's cable tied up somewhere, but yeah, it's going alright. 50 mile an hour. Oh, puddle. Let's wind her up. Yeah. This is more like it. 50 mile an hour. I don't think that's quite 50. It says it's 50, don't feel like 50. Oh, she's got some go now. Let's wind her up down here. Oh, she's running lovely. Yeah, I'll keep going for 5th gear, it's only got 4. Oh, feels kind of safe. Wind her open. Woohoo! 55. Don't want to push it too much. Don't want to walk home. Oh, I do feel like Boone. Oh, silver! Right, let's go and get some petrol. Right. Okay, so got a full tank of fuel. Let's go. Let's give it some. She's flying. She goes alright. She's a bit temperamental, cuts out. Throttle cable keeps getting caught and revving up. But rides alright. Sounds alright. It's not backfiring. Pulls well in the gears. I'm happy with that. I mean, now that I've got her running right, I still need to go through it. Obviously, new tyres, do the front brake shoes. Got a bit of a fuel leak. Like I said earlier, I think the fuel pipe's a bit too big for it. I've got some smaller stuff. I'll get that squished on later. Yeah, I mean, she's pulling. Drop to gear. Yeah, not bad. Right, call that quits. I'll catch you in the next one.